Hi guys. Basically, I ordered some new sneakers a few days ago. These are the Axel Arigato marathon runners, and I haven't seen a lot of videos on YouTube on showing them on feet or unboxing, and it can be pretty useful, I guess, when you want to buy some maybe a little bit more expensive shoes and you don't see them in real life. You can at least look at some videos, right? That's what I'm usually doing. So I think it's gonna be helpful for you guys, and it's gonna be also fun for me because I don't know if they fit me. I don't know if I like them in real life. I haven't opened the box yet, so let's get surprised together, I guess. So here we go. This is the box. I wonder if I'm gonna be able to film it and open it at the same time. I guess not. So I'm just gonna show you the box first. It's pretty heavy. I guess the shoes must be heavy as well. And besides the logo, there's nothing else on it. It has a pretty nice feeling. Okay, I decided to use the front camera. Yeah, it should be pretty visible. I hope it's not gonna get out of focus all the time. So, it's the box. We got some first goodies. I guess it's the receipt and some other stuff. Let's see. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, this is the receipt. Blah blah blah. That's interesting. So, oh, that's such a nice. Oh, okay. I thought it's wrapping paper, but it's actually a bag. Very cool. I like the color. I saw a video where they got a bag in neon green color, but like this kind of, I don't know, beige or cream color is much better for me. Whoops. Oh, come on. Stay here. So, this is it. The paper, the wrapping. I see them already. I'm so excited. I'm always really excited about shoes. Yeah, so this is how they look like. They're wrapped in the separate foil too. I'm not really good at these videos. It's my first video like that. Oh man, the shoe. This is a beast, guys. It's big and it's heavy. It's heavy as fuck. That's the first one. And the second one. Wow, I like them. I'm very curious how they will look like on me. But I like them in my hands. Yeah, there's nothing more inside. The box is empty. So let's take a closer look at the shoe. Here we have a mirror kind of logo. Oh, that's very cool. Look, it's like 3D. Stripes here and in the front. Yeah, the tongue with a logo. And in the back we have the sizing. Oh, I wear 45, size 45. Yeah, everyone on the internet said that it should be true to size. So I wear Nike 45, Adidas 45 and 1/3. And from Vans I wear 44.5. So that's, you kind of, you can see what's the sizing. Yeah, inside of it, just paper. And the logo inside too. Yeah, you probably can see it with the front camera, it's not that good, but yeah, I'm really curious how they look at the feet. So that's it. These are the marathon runners. Oh, they have also like Arigato here. I really like it. Like the small detailing, the mirror logo and this, and yeah, the sole. I haven't showed the sole. It's like that. Has an A2. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna put them on. That's how they look from the regular perspective. They are pretty awesome, I would say. My legs are pretty skinny, so I was scared that they're gonna be too massive, maybe. But I guess that's the point of these shoes. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I guess you should like them, right? I like them. So for this price, the materials feel amazing. It's very soft. The size is true to size. The shoe is true to size. It feels comfortable on your leg. We will see what about the duration of the materials, if it's gonna, I don't know, do some fucked up stuff or not, but hopefully not. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and maybe next time I'm gonna do another video on something else. So, see ya.